record more boring stories on tape, Uncle Knitnuts?
Yes, Nina. Oh, I just can't wait to see the bored faces on the children when they listen to my incredibly boring stories.
Boring stories on tape, recording session. Take number 1.
Once there was a plain boy who lived in a plain house on a plain street. What was that?
It sounded like a hiccup.
That's impossible. I don't get hiccups. They're much too exciting for me. Let's try again.
Boring stories on tape, recording session. Take 2.
There once was a plain boy who lived... I can't record my boring story like this. No one will be able to understand what I'm saying.
Maybe we need to take a break. I'll put on some music.
Oh, that's perfect, Nina. Turn it up a little.
Oh, there's probably nicer music than that to listen to, Uncle Knitnuts. Let me find another radio station.
Do you have a situation that needs imagination? We can solve any problem.
Hey, it's the Imagination
Call or
Movers.
come by
This must be their new
anytime.
radio
The Imagination
commercial.
Movers.
Wonderful.
For all your problem solving.
Let's go see the Movers. They can solve any problem. They'll know how to get rid of your hiccups.
But they're exciting. I'm sure my hiccups will go away on their own.
They sound like they're getting worse.
That's nonsense. Fine. We'll go to the Movers. But don't get too excited about it.
I'll try not to, Uncle Knitnut.